Hello everybody. Today I'm here in the woods to do another cooking video. I haven't been doing much videos lately, mostly because the weather wasn't really inviting. Basically since January the weather has just been really grey and dark and cold and rainy most of the time, so not very inviting for doing a video. And today I went into the woods because the weather is dry and there's even a little bit of sunshine. And I'm actually not very far away from my home. I came here with my bicycle, and yeah, it's actually a busy little place here. You will hear all sorts of sounds. Over there is a train line, and over there is a motorway. Back there is an airport with incoming airplanes, and there are people with dogs and horses just been riding by, and there are forestry workers felling trees. So it's not a very wild place, but good enough for me today to make another cooking video. What I want to cook today is rice with vegetables, and I'm kind of curious to try out this rice. It's supposed to take only 7 to 8 minutes to be done, so it's a sort of fast cooking rice. And the first thing I did is, cutting the vegetables. This here is some red bell pepper, this here is zucchini, and this is split cashew nuts, and I'm going to use some soy sauce and tomato ketchup. Oh yeah, what I also use is this here. This here is shi-take mushrooms. I got them dried. Hang on. Where is it gone? Ah. Here are the shi-take mushroom. They are dried, so they are really excellent backpacking food. And I bought them just at the local supermarket, so no specialty store. And they are rather cheap and really tasty. I've already started the stove, and I heated up the water for the mushrooms because they need to rehydrate, and with warm water they will rehydrate better. I still have to slice the shi-take. That's all right. And then I will start the frying. Here's a little frying pan. I've already put oil into it. Heat it up. I think that's good enough. Adding the vegetables. I only make a very small portion of vegetables. Shi-take mushroom. This is freshly ground pepper. Yep. I must be careful with the salt. Careful. What else do I have? Oh yeah. I have some, what's that? That is dried garlic, very little bit. Always good for adding some extra taste to it. And I think I have some, what's that? Maybe a little bit, whoop, red chili. But that's it. Where's my spoon? This one. Vegetables are mostly done, I think. So, adding the tomato ketchup. Come on. You can take tomato mark, or if you prefer, you could also take fresh tomato, why not? And a little bit of soy sauce. Oh, go for it. And a little bit of water. I set this aside. Oh, got the smoke in my eyes. And I cover it with a lid to keep it a little bit more warm. And now I'm going to heat the water for the rice. So the water's reaching the boiling point, and I'm adding the rice. And this should take 7 to 8 minutes. Let's see. Let's see how the rice is doing. Yeah, I think the rice is pretty much done. That means I can take that off. And rice and the vegetables can go back on the stove to reheat. Rice. Oh. And here's the rice. Rice. Rice and vegetable. So here it is. Have a look. So here's my rice vegetable stew. The rice was done in 7 to 8 minutes. That's fine. And I've taken zucchini, red bell pepper, shi-take mushrooms and cashew nuts. But pretty much you can add any sort of vegetables that you want. You can even add pork or tofu or whatever you like. And it's very easy to make. I prefer this anytime over, you know, those instant food stuff. So try this. If you enjoyed my video, or if you have suggestions, please leave me a comment. I'm always happy to get comments, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed doing another cooking video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.